right, the next two practice loops, practice loop 1.3 and 1.4, both deal with double stops. So let's talk about them at the same time. Why do double stops when there are no actual double stops here in this first part of the Wednesday Addams Painted Black? Well, a couple of reasons. One, they really help with intonation. So when you have so many string crossings and you're going back and forth between D and G or between A and D, playing the notes as a double stop helps you get it in tune when you're playing the individual notes. Because when you're playing the individual notes, they go by so fast, all right, that you really are holding your hand in a chord double stop position. Even though you're not actually playing that during this part of the piece, your hand is still doing that. And so what you want to do is you want to practice the double stop, because that's going to help you be in tune when you play it individually. So we're going to do, just like we did with the first two practice loops, we're going to do double stops in first position. So, all right. And then we're going to do all of the double stops. You know, I'm creating all of the double stops, all the possible ones from the notes of the piece, like this, and it really helps me play in tune. The second big reason to do it is that you're going to end up doing it later anyway in the piece anyway. So you're just practicing for something that actually is a part of the rest of the arrangement that you have to learn to be able to perform it anyway. All right. So listen very carefully for perfect fifths. We have some perfect fourths. We have major thirds. Between the C and the E there, we have a minor six. Now the one, if this is your first time playing some double stops, the one that might be a little hard to hear is this seventh from the C to the B flat. The minor six. You might want to get out a drone pitch for that one. And as I mentioned earlier, the playlist here is filled not just with the practice loops and these sort of introductory videos, but also videos from the channel that I think will supplement the different things that you need to do to learn to play this piece. One of them being practice with a drum pitch, or get a tuner out that will play a pitch, and maybe you just need to put it on that B flat so that you can hear that note directly. All right, have fun with these next two practice loops. See you in the next one.